Alright, so in this battery, excuse me, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the key fob in a Ford Transit van. So if you've got a Ford Transit van with key fob that looks like this, used from 2015 to present day, this is how you change it. So if it's gotten low, the first thing you'll need to see is there's kind of a line that goes all the way around the fob. We need to separate this into two pieces to get access to the internal battery. So the easiest way to do this is there's actually a notch right here, and kind of in the upper right if you're looking at the key fob this way. So if you can get a small flathead screwdriver or even another key into that notch and twist, you can start to see a little bit of separation between the two pieces. And if you move, kind of start there and twist, and then move towards the middle where this key ring is, you can really pop off the two pieces and separate those. So once you've done that, it takes a little bit of elbow grease. You can see you have access to the internal CR2032 battery. And once you have a new one of these, just make sure that the positive side is facing towards you when you replace it. So the positive side has all the lettering here and the plus sign. So put a new CR2032 3-volt battery in there, and then just replace this. Make sure this rubber backing is in the correct spot to cover the battery. Pop that back in. Everything kind of snaps back together. Voila! That's how you replace the key fob battery in a Ford Transit van key fob. And again, the battery that you'll need is the CR2032 3-volt battery.